Bollywood actress Kangana Ranaut, known for her bold statements and unrelenting stance on creative freedom, has announced plans to release an uncut version of her upcoming film Emergency. The decision comes in response to ongoing legal hurdles that have delayed the official release of the film, which is centered around one of India's most controversial political periods. The film and its historical relevance. Emergency is Ranaut's directorial venture, where she plays the role of former Indian Prime Minister Indira Gandhi. The film delves into the political turmoil of the 1975-77 emergency, a 21-month period when civil liberties were suspended, media was censored, and opponents of the government were imprisoned. With such sensitive and polarizing subject matter, it is no surprise that the film has faced challenges. Court proceedings have been underway, presumably involving claims of historical accuracy and the portrayal of political figures. Despite these challenges, Ranaut has remained steadfast in her determination to showcase the film in its entirety. Kangana's decision to release the uncut version. In a recent interview, Ranaut voiced her frustration with the delays caused by the legal system. She pointed out that artistic works often become collateral damage in politically charged environments. According to her, the court's postponement of the case has led her to take an unprecedented step, releasing an uncut version of Emergency independently. "I'm not going to allow my creative vision to be compromised by endless legal delays. This is a story that needs to be told, and it will be told as it is, without any unnecessary edits or censorship," Ranaut asserted. Legal hurdles and creative freedom. The film's legal battles are reportedly centered around complaints from political and historical groups who argue that the portrayal of certain events and characters is inaccurate or disrespectful. In particular, the depiction of Indira Gandhi and her government during the emergency has come under scrutiny, with detractors claiming that the film could mislead viewers about this critical chapter in Indian history. Ranaut, however, has defended the film's content as an artistic interpretation based on extensive research. "We've taken creative liberties, yes, but the essence of the events remains true to history. It's a film, not a documentary," she said. For Ranaut, this battle is about more than just Emergency. It's a fight for the broader issue of creative freedom in India's film industry. She believes that political pressure and censorship have often stifled bold storytelling in Indian cinema, and she refuses to bow down to such forces. Reaction from the industry and public. Ranaut's announcement to release the uncut version of Emergency has sparked a mixture of reactions from her colleagues in Bollywood and the general public. Some have applauded her decision to stand firm against the legal and political machinery, seeing it as a much-needed move to push back against increasing censorship. On social media, fans and supporters have expressed excitement about the possibility of seeing the film in its original, unfiltered form. #UncuteMergency started trending shortly after her announcement, with many expressing their anticipation for the raw and unaltered version of the movie. However, critics have warned that releasing an uncut version without legal approval could lead to further legal action, including possible injunctions. They argue that while Ranaut's stand for artistic freedom is admirable, it may complicate matters further, especially if the film's content is seen as inflammatory. What's next for Emergency? Despite the obstacles, Kangana Ranaut seems determined to move forward. She hinted that the uncut version could be released digitally, bypassing the traditional theatrical route, thus avoiding some of the restrictions that could be imposed by censors or courts. As the legal battle continues, all eyes are on Ranaut to see how this bold move will play out. If successful, it could set a new precedent in the industry for filmmakers seeking to tell controversial stories without fear of political or legal repercussions. Ranaut's battle over Emergency is not just about one film, but a larger debate over creative freedom and censorship in Indian cinema. As she continues to fight, the industry and audiences alike are watching closely, waiting to see if the uncut version of Emergency will break free from its legal chains.